Huh? Huh?
That's if they're still here.
I think it's deep enough to where they... Yeah. It just could be schoolies, you know what I'm saying? Oh, see, look right there. See? Huh? 17. I don't see any readings. There must be schoolies moving fast. There must be schoolies moving fast. No, I say I don't see any big schools underneath us. So stay patient. I haven't seen any swim by us, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, there's no boils. Got him? Feel like a good one? No. Schoolies. You got your first feed though. Nah. Huh? This guy, he's worrying about pictures and the fish are biting. This guy worrying about pictures and fish are biting. It's all about content, you know? What? Is this your first feed? Oh. No, I mean there's a school. I mean I got a hit again just now. Bumped. Schoolies, you know, schoolies chase the small. You know, the small ones run all the way over. But dude, there could be big ones. That's why I always stay put. Yeah. I never. Because the big ones sometimes they come up later. Well, the little ones move so fast. That's what we were waiting for, just the timing. We got it. As I was saying, like the good thing is when they pull up everywhere, you get like multiple schools. You know, then you don't have people driving on top of you. Behind you. They're all over the place. And little kids. They just keep nicking. They're not big enough, they're just kids.
Oh, yeah, that's like in the capital office Sunday.
Oh, he pulled off. You got yours? It's like Fast and the Furious, alright? Huh? Maybe keep? Let me tell me when you see him.
That's a white one.
Keep? Good pick. Oh!
Where you at?
Just cast. He might keep.
Viper, definitely Viper.
Nah. Maybe. Nah. Oh. I can't tell. He just fight. He's just strong. Yeah, he could be close. He's close, yeah. Yeah. Got him. Yep. That's one. I think that's him. Got him. Yeah, easy. Did you throw back another one? Or no? Did you have another one when I was unhooking? You threw one back already? Huh? Nah. Oh.